Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Normally I do these updates on my diamond painting channel, which I have posted there. However, I am also placing it on this channel because I've had some people request that I do just because they miss the announcement or post in my community tab. So, in August, because I do rotate out my scents for my store, we have a few different scents. Now, I am going to leave a link in the description below to my store because when it comes to wax melts, they're not always the same as the diamond painting putty and sticky wax, so keep that in mind. But they do rotate out. Now, a few of these snuck in at the end of January. July. Wow. Reversing 2023. A few of them snuck in, but it was because I was testing them out and I had batches and I didn't want them to sit there. So, some of our scents that you can get either in putty or sticky wax, so they're going to be in both, are Fruitsy Loopsies. It's Fruit Loops, but you know, I had to be careful about what I called it, trademark and all. Cakewalk, which is birthday cake, and it smells like birthday cake. If you get that one, wax melt, it has sprinkles and stuff. Orange Cream Dream, it smells just like orange creamsicle, but again, trademark. So, Pink Lemonade, one of my favorite ones this month. It is super fruity and delicious. Kiwi Watermelon, I like this one too. It's really refreshing. Vanilla Bean Bliss, this is fun if you just want something more, well, vanilla. Blueberry, super fresh, I like that one. Lavenderlicious, Lavenderlicious is normally in the store and it's one of my year-round ones. However, I've revamped the formula, new smell, so you'll see new addition. You can purchase the old one until it sells out, and then after that, it's just this one. Lemon Sorbet. This one's actually pretty good too. And then Lila Craze, which is a year-round one because it's quite popular. I get a lot of requests for this one. So again, you can get those all in the waxes as well. Then we have our box. Now, I only do so many of these. It's the Diamond Painting Accessory Box. Now, this month I'm doing 15. Last month I did 10 and they sold out in 3 days. So make sure you grab it when you can grab it. So it'll come in this cute little box. Everything will be wrapped and protected if it needs to be. I'm just doing this for video's sake. So first thing is you'll get one of 2 diamond painting pens. This is a like end of summer themed box. So everything's summery, but you'll get like these pink glitter flowers or the seashells. Then you'll get 2 stickers. You'll get one that says Stick and Sparkle Baby and Sparkle and Pop. They're just vinyl stickers, collectibles. The stickers themselves will also be for sale on my store outside of the box if you miss it. You'll get a daisy cover minder. The color will vary, so from box to box. You'll get 2 washi tapes. They'll just vary from summer themes, so you'll get something in there. Whoop! Okay, and then you'll get a few extra tips. And then the wax melt scent you'll get is Pink Lemonade, which I love. It smells so good. It's got like really, it's a zesty, but with some grapefruit and, oh yeah. So that's the wax melt. And then you'll get the limited edition scent of the month, which is bubblegum. So you get a sticky wax and a putty for that. And then you will get this hot pink 3D printed diamond painting tray. Now this is by LEP on Etsy. She and I have partnered up. She is supplying these for the monthly boxes. Next month we already have 20 printed in a cute peach color because we're doing peaches and cream for September. But yeah, she has made these for me and we're kind of teaming up to do this in these boxes. So you'll get this cute little tray. It comes with a lid and it slides down. It's got her little name in there. You'll get 2 stoppers, a heart or a hexagon. What's nice about these is it has a lid so you can put them in the storage trays if you want or just stack them on your desk. But you just close the lid, pull your stopper, and then you can dump your drills out. So I actually really like that feature. But you'll get one in hot pink because that is the color for this month in your box. along with everything else. So this month's box will cost a little more because we have added these trays, which are $8.99 and up depending on the color from her store. You're getting a discount though getting it in this box when everything is put together. So basically, if you bought all of these items separate in my store, you'd be spending a lot more than you are if you buy the box. So there will only be 15 this month. Next month we'll increase it, and I'll keep increasing it based on popularity. One thing I wanted to ask for those of you who do use the store, would you like the option of a pre-order? Because I do have these boxes planned out a few months in advance, and Ellie just needs I think we agreed on like a 2-month lead time just to be safe. So I can actually set it up to pre-order the next box, and then we don't have an issue of selling out as quickly. It's just for me, when I make these boxes, I have to go, okay, well, I'm going to do 15 because what if they don't sell? So let me know in the comments below if you'd be interested in a pre-order option. I may cap it at a certain amount of boxes though, just to keep things from going crazy because I still have to make the wax and putty and the melts and everything, and yeah, so that would get a little insane. So yeah, I may cap it, but I'm curious if you guys would like that just for an option. So yeah, that is what is in the store this month. Now the scents from July, if I still have some in stock, they'll still be listed until they sell out. I do have a few left of July's, not a lot, but a few. And then with August, how it'll work is the limited edition scent, I always just make a set number, and once it sells out, it sells out. I'm not making any more that month. However, if it's super popular, I will probably bring it back, like cotton candy. That one is going to come back before the end of this year. Now the monthly ones I keep restocking. They rotate out though, so like I said, if there's a scent you like this month, grab it because it will not be here next month. But by the last week of August, I stop restocking and just let things sell out. Now, when it comes to wax melts, the scents are different than what I have here. Some overlap, like pink lemonade is in both, as you saw. I do have a bubblegum wax melt as well, but there isn't exact overlap. So you'll want to check my listing for wax melts and see what I have for this month. There are a few that always stay in the rotation, others I move out. But yeah, some of my favorites are the pink lemonade for sure. I really like that one. Ooh, the coconut milk and lavender wax melt. That one turned out way better than I thought it was going to. And it smells so refreshing and yet so relaxing. I don't know, it's the wackiest thing I've ever experienced. The cakewalk one is really good. So yeah, there's some really good ones in there this month. But I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions. And ooh, one more thing is I was going to start adding colors to my putty. However, that would require me to increase the price because of, manual labor and the product itself. But sometimes they look cute when they're all swirled with a color. So I'd love to know if that's something you would be interested in. If not, I'm totally fine with the plain Jane way I've been running it. But thank you everyone for supporting my store and helping out. There are some also new stickers in the store. I didn't bring them upstairs, so I forgot. But there's some cute stickers that are in the store. And then I will be coming out with a fun sticky wax, sticky wax, so that's stickier than my regular wax, in a macaroon tin. That'll come out probably middle of August. I just haven't had time to make it. And yeah, we've got quite a few other things, but this is what's coming out August 1st. So grab the boxes while you can, because those ones went fast last time and probably will go faster this time now that people are aware of them. And I've already had quite a few messages as to when they're going to land in the store. So just FYI. But they are live in the shop at the time this video has gone live. So yeah, happy shopping. And until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.